Brother Joey, how are you, bro?
Time to slay.
You like one piece of your apple bread before you go?
Yeah. I'm gonna hit this vodka. The red's going down.
Yeehaw. Oh! Oh God. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Is that what happened to you? Yeah.
No, like this.
Oh, not like this. Oh God, this is rough. Is the water always like this at night or no?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you gotta wait.
Oh, for the perfect timing.
Yeah.
I saw that part, but you soaking wet.
Yeah, I gotta try my rash guard.
Where is that? Want me to go get it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's on the wall.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Trial and error. Yeah. That's how you learn.
Don't just sit there and watch, bro. Help us, bro. Yeah.
Oh, the poles got all tangled.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yee!
We out here pressing. Alright guys, we gonna fish. We stay with the official syndicate.
Yes, sir.
Right there. The motor, the kayak motor right there.
No way, I'm just a passenger, bro.
So we stay gooning out in the dark and hopefully we see some color soon.
Beautiful night.
Yeah,
good
beautiful
weather.
night. Good friends, good vibes. Time for fish.
And if you feel it, you feel them being on the bottom, just jack them up. Oh, you gotta turn off your light.
Okay. Let's go, guys. We get action. Yes, all guys. Avail.
On the way. Oh, it's a
Hard with the 9-footer, but Yes, first fish with Brandon. Avail. Let's go. Let's do it again. Let's go. We get couple. Lucky I got my what is it called? The bomb on my back.
That's fine.
Right there, we get couple. We stay on again. Yes, just one. We stay on. Ooh-wee. Yes,
Oh, Lionel, bro.
Good that. Merry Christmas.
This came earlier this year.
Oh yeah. Christmas every day in Hawaii, bruh. This is on Hawaiian Christmas tree right here. Hawaiian Christmas tree. On. Good size one. Check them out. Good size bachi. What we got? One. Check them out. Good size bachi. Yes, we stay on, guys, again. The rod's feeling kind of heavy, but holy moly, we stay loaded. We stay loaded because I'm no tangle the rope. How was it, man? Guys, he good over here. Yes, sir. Couple. 1, 2. One good one, one small one. That's a nice one right here. Right here, guys. That was a nice one. Oh, poke my hand. All right.
Oh, all these influencers.
Yeah. We stay on. One good one. That's the moon right there, guys. Oh, you guys can see them on the water though. So as we were fishing for Menpachi, our good friend Tsubasas decided to go pursue some lobster. And as you guys can see, he got lucky, man. He found a few good sized ones. And if you keep watching, he even gets lucky and harvests a nice sized moon too. And if you guys would like to check out Tsubasas YouTube page, I'll leave his information down below. He does a lot of fantastic work documenting a bunch of amazing people, and also spearfishing and traveling. So definitely go check his channel out and subscribe if you guys would like to follow a solid individual. That's crazy.
What's up?
Come shoot content. Keep you on the side, right? Oh. Well, you can see me on. It's banging me right in my eye.
It's perfect like this.
Made it back to land. You guys seen that at the beginning, we almost went flip over. Man, what a fishing trip. I hope you guys enjoy all the Pachi action at Brandon, man. Had a couple close calls out on the kayak, but we pulled through, made it back. Come check out the catch.
Did the GoPro last the whole time, babe?
Not the whole time. So there you guys have it. As you can see, the Menpachi fishing trip was a big success. Me and Brandon, first time fishing together. We got lucky. We got blessed. Laughed a lot. Almost flipped the kayak a couple times when we was fishing. But all in all, you know, we made it back and we had a great time. I cannot wait to fish with Brandon again. Next time I come Big Island, guarantee fish with him again. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this night action. It's been many years since I fished nighttime too. So if you guys didn't like what you guys didn't see, if you guys didn't like the Menpachi action, give my channel and subscribe too. You know what I mean? Help your boy out. And yeah, just keep tuning in and see what comes next. His channel is Sakana Syndicate. For any of you guys who want to follow him, man. If you guys like fishing, you guys will like his channel. Trust me.
Find some big boys.
This is all on the pole, right? You guys got all these on the pole.
Oh, yeah.
Must have been like non-stop, right?
You see the videos, we're pulling them, we're pulling them in like 5 at a time. I think it's 5 hooks.
Oh!
Yeah, on the leader, get 5 hooks.
I think, how the hell? Okay, and then it's gonna be on this one, okay, guys? Perfect.
Good.
Good.
food. We get cocoa. Landing cocoa. Eating it in the bucket.
Yeah.
And on the ground.
That's crazy. You guys did so good.
That was good fun.
That's awesome.
Yeah, like, imagine like we just keep going. Like,
Yes.
but then you're gonna flip the kayak and
Yeah, watch
Oh.
yeah, that's how I was feeling that vibe, like
Not for
just bad, just everything's feeling
Yeah.
little bit shaky.
I was getting stuck plenty too.
I was like, man, just cash out right now.
I mean, your bucket's pretty much almost.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, that too. But yeah, I don't know if Brandon gonna go Lobster. I'm gonna shower. I'm going to sleep. I'm gonna prepare for tomorrow. Jump in the water.
He's next to us, right next to the truck. He got his caught.
Oh, well, there, guys. Thanks for watching. Shower. Do it again tomorrow. Let's go.